Welcome to Wes Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमका येवकार दिता माझ्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता की तुम्ही सगळी बरी आसतली. So hope you all are doing well. Okay. How are you today? And in Konkani it is तुम्ही आयज कशी आसा? So today, now you must be seeing this. So today I am going to show you all butter chicken masala powder, homemade butter chicken masala powder. Okay, and many of my English friends love this butter chicken, and many, even we love butter chicken, and we can get ready-made butter chicken mix, that is Sohana, and you can make it like a paste way also. There are many recipes, but now I will show you all how to make butter chicken masala mix at home. Okay, so for that what you need, you have to do a preparation and keep. Okay, so आयज हांव तुमकां सगळ्यांचो आवडतो डिश जे आसा बटर चिकन, तेजो जो आमचो पिठो मेवता तो कसो करपाचो, घारा करपाचो तो तुमकां हांव दाखयता. आनी ताका लागून सगळी सामग्री तुमी पयली पोयात, हाडून तयार दवरात आनी मागीर करपाचे प्रयत्न करात. आनी पळयात ह्यो जो पिठो आसा एकदम बरो लागतलो तुमकां बटर चिकन घारा करपाक. सो वॉट इंग्रेडियंट्स यू नीड इज, these are 4 tomatoes. These are 4 tomatoes which are dried. Big tomatoes which are sun dried. You can dry it in oven also. Okay, so these are 4, and it took for me around 5 days hot sun. 5 days. This is 2 onions. Okay, which is also dried. After drying it is like this. So if it is 4 tomatoes, either you can take 1 onion or you can take 2 onion, depending on the size. Don't take big onion, take smaller onion. So this is like 2 small onions. I will show you the size what I have taken for 4 big tomatoes. This is only to give a flavor, nothing else. Okay, so these are the onion sizes which I took. The smallest shallots, you say, onion shallots. So this you have to sun dry. Onion you have to sun dry. Garlic, 1 pod of garlic. So if you want to count it in numbers, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, like 17 of cloves, and ½ inch of ginger. So these are all sun dried. Now in your country you might get onion powder, you can get tomato powder, you can get garlic powder, and you can get ginger powder also. But if you are having a hot sun, then best is to dry it in the hot sun and do it. And if you want to make it in more quantity and keep, then double the volume, whatever I am telling. तर जे अगर तुम्ही भायल्या गांवांत रावतात आनी थिंगा वत ना जाल्यार तुमकां आनियनाचो पावडर मेवतलो, तामोटाचो पावडर मेवतलो, मागीर आमचो लसणेचो पावडर मेवतलो, आनी आल्याचोय पावडर मेवतलो. ओके, तर हे आमी आमच्या गोंयान खतखतीत, इंडियेक आमचे खतखतीत वता, तितून हे 4 दिसांनी तामोट, कांदो, लसूण आणि आल्याची ही हालत जाल्या. ओके, सो प्लीज नोट डावन दिस. देन वी नीड any company every day. That is 1 tablespoon it is. So any company of milk powder you need. Then I have taken 30 cashew nuts and 20 almonds. Then we need 1 bay leaves. Then I've taken around 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 Kashmiri chilies, 3 cloves, 8 peppercorns, black peppercorns. This is star anise flower, 1 black cardamom, 1 4 green cardamom, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of caraway seeds. Okay, caraway, that is like shahi jeera we call in Hindi. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek, dry fenugreek leaves, few dry pudina, that is mint leaf. This is 2 petals of mace flower. This is small piece of nutmeg, this size of cinnamon stick, a small piece of turmeric, and 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. Okay, so we all need this. I'm not going to repeat it in Konkani. कोंकणीन तुम्ही काय हे सगळो मसालो असोच येतलो. तर तुम्ही जाणा कश्मीरी चिलीज जाणा, आमची धनिया, सुकी धनिया, सुकी कोथमीर म्हणून येता, सुकी धनिया, ही आमची मेथीची पानां, हे आमचे शाही जिरा आणि हे आमचे नॉर्मल जिरा, हे मीठ, हे आमचे पुदिना, ताका मिंट म्हणटा सुकलेले, हे आमचे मेज फ्लावर, पात्री म्हणटा आमी ताका, पात्री इन कोंकणी, हे आमचे तिकी, हे आमचो नटमेग, जायफळ, एका हल्दीचो तुकडो या कुडको, हल्दीचो कुडको, आणि हे जायफळ. ओके, नटमेगाक जायफळ म्हणटा. कश्मीरी चिली सगळी जाणा. हे आमचे दगडफूल आमी एका म्हणटा, स्टार एनीस दगडफूल, आनी दगडफूल स्टोन म्हणटा पळय ते कुशिनी आसता, स्टोन फ्लावर तो कुशीन आसता, पूण हे दगडफूल. मागीर हे काळे आमचे, काळी एलायची, हरी एलायची, लवंगां आनी मिरयां आनी मीठ, काजू, बदाम, दुधाचो पिठो. बाकी ह्यो आतां आमकां वांटून घेवंक जाय. सगळें अशें घालून आता जेन्ना हांव तुमकां हें दाखयता, हांव घालता पळय तें, ताकी तुमकां पुत्तून एक आयडिया मेळोवपाक की हांव कितें कितें घालता पळय तें. आनी ज्यो म्हाज्यो रेसिपी आसता न्हू, तितून हांव कांय केन्नाच कितेंच लिपोवंक ना आयज पासून. जें पळय हांव कोत्ता पळय तशेंच तुमकां हांव दाखयता. कित्याक म्हाका जाय ह्यो सगल्यो रेसिपी सगल्यांनी शिकोवं आनी तुमी दुसऱ्यांक शिकोयात. यू आर लर्न and you are taught to teach. हे फुल्यार आसता ताका आमी वांटून घेवया ओके कोणाक साखर जाय साखर घालूं येता whoever wants to add sugar you can add sugar I'm not going to add sugar but if you want you can add so here is our homemade butter chicken masala powder masala mix is ready and you can enjoy making your butter chicken with this. I will share with you the recipe how to make use of this masala powder and make delicious butter chicken whenever you want and how much you need to add the powder for 1 kg chicken. Okay, so stay tuned for that recipe too. Thank you. देव बरें करूं मानता की तुमकां हे आवडटलो घरा करून तुमी हो दवरात आनी उजार करात आनी क्विक मागीर बटर चिकन घरा करूं येता कोणाक पावडर करून दवरूंक जाय तांकां हे ओके थँक्यू